morning, friends. Today is 17th of November and I'm Shuchi Rungta presenting you today's morning market update. The Nifty gained 6 points over the day to close at 18,409. The market stayed dull and boring the entire day yesterday. However, once again the index made a new higher high, but the momentum was just not there. RSI was not being able to get past the 70 line. Nifty has made a doji candle pattern on the daily charts, which is a sign of indecisiveness. The Nifty is gradually inching towards 18,600. As mentioned earlier too, how the markets react post testing this number will be a good way to understand the trend ahead. 18,260 is the immediate support, while 18,100 remains the important base for the bulls. The possibility of testing these numbers cannot be ruled out based on the breadth, momentum, and other macro factors. All dips near the same should be used as a buying opportunity. On the option chain, we see significant call writing taking place at the highest strike prices from 18,400 to 18,700 zone. Bank Nifty had a bullish trading day yesterday and closed past the 42,500 mark and still remains strong. IT stocks also expected to continue with their bullish momentum. On the sector rotation app of StockEdge, we see shipbuilding sector to be developing with good momentum. International markets were weak yesterday and major indices losing around 1 to 2% overall. Dow was flat with a negative bias. SGX Nifty trades at 18,415 currently. Levels for the day: Nifty supports will be seen at 18,260 and 18,100. Resistance 18,500 and 18,600. For Bank Nifty, supports will be seen at 42,330 and 42,080. Resistance 42,650 and 42,800. Thank you and have a great day.